today we're going to be doing something naughty that you saw I did with Zach a few minutes ago. I'm going to be doing it with my sister now. Okay, so we will be pulling this. You've got to get ready to run. So you pull it, it's so loud. When I let go, it'll make a loud noise, and we leg it out, okay? We'll do it in 3, 2. There's a little baby. Oh my God.
That's a little baby. What?
I'm gonna have to. That baby might go crazy. That wasn't actually very loud. Bit with it. These two are school.
That guy. Right there. Wait, not him.
Him. Ginger guy. He used to be in our school. Didn't he? No, it's broke. Yeah. It says, caution, in the event of fire, do not use this move. So it puts it on fire. Well, Zach used it the other day. And I've used it loads of times. So, hope you liked this video. If you liked it, slap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. That's all you need to do. And if you turn notifications on, you can know when I do my next video. See ya.